Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to protect your iWatch? You know it's expensive and you want to keep it protected? Well, this tempered glass is going to do just that. When I get ready for the day, it's important for me to pick out my watch case and match what I wear. I love that it has 12 different colors and I can match anything that I'm wearing with all of these colors and accessorize with my watch band. Doesn't it look great together? The 12 colors come with a backing film that really protects and makes sure you don't have any lint on your watch case. I love changing it up and doing lots of different varieties. And this tempered glass is strong. So get your set of tempered glass to cover your iWatch. You want to keep it protected and you want to do it in style? Then try these out. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.